How to use baking soda to get rid of roaches in your house. You may already have your favorite method for removing roaches, such as using pesticides or insecticides. Roaches can be a major problem for anyone. Roaches are ugly and gross, and as a result they can make your home or business a very unpleasant place. However, you can use baking soda to get rid of these pests as well. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this baking soda home remedy hack. Hey everyone, it's Rob from Remedies Insider, and welcome back to the channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any of our new videos. This simple mixture is extremely cheap to make and kills the roaches over a course of a week or two. For this remedy, you're going to need about 5 to 10 plastic bottle lids, and of course some baking soda. Oh, and don't forget the powdered sugar, and some water. You want to combine equal amounts of powdered sugar and baking soda in a large bowl for this method. Then mix these together and then fill the bottle lids with this mixture. After you got this formula in your lids, place them around the home behind furniture, doors, the kitchen, and hard to reach areas. Make sure you spread the lids out throughout your home and put them in every room so that the roaches can find them more easily. If you're wondering how this works, the roaches are attracted to the sugar, and when they're attracted to the sugar, they'll come and eat the mixture. Then, after the roaches consume the mixture of water, powdered sugar, and baking soda, they will soon die. You can also add a few small dishes of water as well. This will help speed up the process. I know it's not easy for some of us to kill anything, let alone roaches. But in some cases, this is sometimes necessary for the health of our families and pets. Keep in mind, this baking soda mixture is safe for humans and pets, but it will destroy bugs like roaches, ants, etc. Now the million-dollar question, how long do you have to keep the lids out for? Around 3 weeks to a month should fully clear your infestation. One other benefit of using this method is the live roaches will feed on the dead roaches, and this will destroy them even faster. Not only that, but there are also many other uses and health benefits of baking soda. And if you want to know what they are, check them out above by clicking on the card. Okay, well, that's all I got for you today, but before you run off, stick around because I do have a special gift for you. So if you haven't already, click the link in the description and or the pinned comment, and go over to our blog and pick up your free home remedy ebook with over 2,000 plus homemade and natural remedies. It's 100% free, and I know you're going to enjoy it. So if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your family and friends. This does help us out a lot here at Remedies Insider. And if you haven't already, or you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I release a video. I am uploading videos weekly. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. Take care, and God bless. And also, if you missed any of our latest videos, you can check them out right over here on your right-hand side.